In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Anchor to Spotify. If you've been hosting your podcast with Anchor, the good news is that moving over is incredibly simple because Anchor has become part of Spotify for podcasters. You don't need to rebuild your show or worry about breaking your feed. Everything is designed to carry over so you can keep creating without interruption. First, you'll sign into Spotify for podcasters. Open the platform in your browser and get ready to log in just like you normally would with Anchor. This isn't a brand new account or a separate setup. Think of it as the same home for your show, simply under the Spotify for Podcasters umbrella. Having a stable internet connection helps the process feel smooth, and it's best to do this from a computer so you can clearly see your dashboard once you're in. Next, use the same details you used on Anchor. If you had a password for Anchor, enter that here. If you used a sign-in option like continuing with a major provider, select the matching option to keep things consistent. You're not creating a new profile, you're just accessing the same one in its new location. If you've enabled extra security on your account, follow those prompts as usual. This step ensures Spotify knows exactly which podcast belongs to you and keeps all your show data connected to the right place. Once you're logged in, your podcast will automatically transfer. You should see your show title, artwork, episodes, and descriptions appear in your dashboard without you having to move files or change your RSS feed. Your past analytics and performance data will also be available so you can pick up your workflow right where you left off. For most creators, this happens quickly. If you have a large back catalog, it may take a moment for everything to fully display. That's normal. Just give it a little time to finish syncing. After the transfer completes, take a moment to look around. You'll notice familiar tools alongside new features designed to help you manage and grow your show. It's a great time to glance at your episodes, confirm your artwork looks correct, and make sure your descriptions and scheduling are in place. If something looks like it's still loading, refresh the page after a bit and it should catch up. And that's all there is to it. By signing into Spotify for Podcasters with your Anchor details, your podcast moves over automatically, letting you focus on creating great content without any complicated migration.